Hello gamers, want to play Fire Kirin for free? Here's how. First, open the Fire Kirin app and log into your account. Now, check for daily bonuses. Many platforms offer free credits just for logging in. Next, look out for promotional codes or free play events. This can be found in official Fire Kirin groups, social media, or through your distributor. Some games also have a demo mode where you can play without spending real money. Just explore the game settings and give it a try. If you are playing at a part location, ask the owner or distributor about free play opportunities. They sometimes offer test credits to new players. And that's it. Enjoy your free spins and make the most of your game time. Have you ever hit a jackpot on free play? Drop your experience in the comments below. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and drop the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.